Hi, superstars. It is time for math. We are on lesson 9-4. Count, read, and write 18, 19, and 20. Let's look at our first problem. Carlos has a collection of bird stickers in his sticker album. Use counters to show the number of bird stickers he has. All right, let's first count how many bird stickers he has. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Now let's use counters to show the number of bird stickers he has. So we counted 18. So we know that we are going to fill our first 10 frame with counters. And since that 10 frame is full, we know that there are 10 here. So we're going to count on from 10. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Let's watch this video together.
What does the picture show? It shows some birds. How can you tell how many birds there are? You can count them. Let's count all the birds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Why do you see the number 19? There are 19 birds in all. Let's show 19 with counters. Move the counters into the first 10 frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This 10 frame is full. Now move counters into the other 10 frame. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. How do the counters match the birds? Both show 19. How are these ways to show 19 different? One way shows 19 birds. The other shows 19 counters. What number do you see? It is the number 19. Why is this number shown? 19 is how many birds there are. Where do you start to trace? Start at this dot at the top. Trace down. Now trace the other number. Start at this dot at the top of the 9. First, trace around to make a circle. Now trace down to finish the 9. Read the number. It says 19. Now let's look at the number 20. How can you tell how many birds there are? You can count them. Let's count all the birds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Why do you see the number 20? There are 20 birds in all. Let's show 20 with counters. Move the counters into the first 10 frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This 10 frame is full. Now move counters into the other 10 frame. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. How do the counters match the birds? Both show 20. How are these ways to show 20 different? One way shows 20 birds. The other shows 20 counters. What number do you see? It is the number 20. Why is this number shown? 20 is how many birds there are. Where do you start to trace? Start at this dot at the top. Trace up and then down. Trace across. Now trace the other number. Start at this dot at the top of the 0. Trace around to make a circle and finish where you started. Read the number. It says 20.
Okay, let's drag the slider to show each number, 18, 19, and 20. That shows us 18. We know that the first 10 frame is full, so we count on. So let's start at the second 10 frame. We have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Now we are at 19. We added one counter. That is showing 19 counters. And if we want to see 20, what do you think is going to happen? If we want to see 20, we are going to have one more counter added. So the two 10 frames are full. This is what 20 looks like with counters.
You have learned to count, to read, and to write the numbers 19 and 20.
Let's look at our guided practice at the bottom of your sheet, and we're at number 1. We're going to count the counters showing how many red birds and how many blue bird stickers Carlos has in his collection. And then we're going to practice writing the number. So for number 1, we see this first 10 frame here. When a 10 frame is full, we know that there are 10 counters in there. So we're going to count on from 10 and start with the second 10 frame. So we say 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 19 red birds or red bird stickers. And then let's practice writing the number 19. Let's go to number 2 here. We're going to count again our 10 frames. We know that this 10 frame is full, so that means it has 10 counters in it. We will start from 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And let's practice writing the number 20. So that means there are 20 blue bird stickers. Let's look at problem number 3. Let's count the red counters to determine how many of these yellow bird stickers Carlos has. Look at the first 10 frame. We know there are 10 because it is full, so we count on 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. And now you write the number 18. So there are 18 yellow bird stickers. For number 4, they show us the number 19. So we want to show the number 19 in our 10 frames. So we will use counters to show the number 19. Let's fill in our first 10 frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. That's how we use our counters to show the number 19. For number 5, they are showing us the number 20. So we're going to use counters to show the number 20 in our 10 frames. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we go to our second 10 frame. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, now we're at number 6. We are going to count these stickers and practice writing the number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So there are 18 of these stickers. Let's practice writing the number, let's practice writing the number 18. We always start from the top, and then we make an S and go back up. Start from the top, you make an S, and then you go across. Let's do it one more time. Make an S, and you come back up. Okay, superstars, I want you to do your independent practice problems independently. That means on your own. You're doing a great job so far. Keep up the good work. And until next time, have a wonderful day. Bye.